Hey KidTime friends, I'm outside today on a beautiful day, enjoying a nice walk through Warriewood wetlands. Hope you're all doing very well. Today we have something different. Instead of me reading a story for you, we have a story from our friend Angela and her little daughter Harper, and they also have a cooking time. They're going to show us how to make pizza scrolls and also how to eat while Mum is making pizza scrolls. So I hope you enjoy these. I hope it keeps you entertained and engaged, and just sending all our love and prayers for you guys. Hope you're all doing well. And look, now restrictions are lifting a little bit. I'm super excited to see what we may be able to do in terms of meeting soon. Love you and miss you all. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Angela from KidTime. Do you want to come and say hi too, Harper?
Hi there.
Oh, you can hear us saying hello.
Hello, Twitter.
Say hello. Don't touch it. You come and sit up here. We thought we would read you a story today. Give Uncle Kieran a break because he's been doing it each week. And we just wanted to say we really miss being at KidTime. We miss you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying at home, and coping okay with everything that's going on. We're thinking of you. And we're going to read this book called Monkey Puzzle. Oh, the monkey's saying, I've lost my mum.
Mom.
Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. We'll find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? Come back. She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you, then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around trees. She coils around trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. Harper, what's that? No, that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl around a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. What's that? No, that's a spider. Mum isn't a black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly, and she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees, you should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. What's that? No, that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. Aha, I've got it, she leaps about. She's just around the corner, without a doubt. What is it? No, that's a frog. Butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mum's not little? Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. Oh, who have we got again? No, that's the elephant again. Butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures looks like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't. You see? None of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mum. Is she back with her mummy and the daddy? And they're having a cuddle. Did you like that story, Harper? Yeah. Would you like to have a look at the book?
I'll take it.
There we go. Harper loves her books at the moment. Well, we hope you liked that story, and we're going to do something extra fun now, just in case you're missing all the yummy food at KidTime. Harper and I are going to do a little video of us cooking the yummy pizza scrolls that we often bring to KidTime. So stay tuned for that, and we miss you all. Sending lots of love. Mwah. Can you blow a kiss, Harper? Mwah. Blow a kiss to the camera. Kisses. Mwah. Or wave. Why don't you give a wave? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Too interested in the book. See you, everyone.